Hello, I am Mooji with Mooji Truck Sales out here in hot Palmdale, California. My phone was overheating. I couldn't even take this video. I had to sit in my car and cool off my phone for a little bit. But anyways, I wanted to show you this 2016 cabin chassis. It had a 22-foot box, reefer box, just like that one there. And I took it to Bakersfield to my welder Jose yesterday at Soto Welding, and he removed the box. And the truck doesn't have any check engine light, doesn't have any lights, and it doesn't have any oil leaks. It's ready to go, ready to work. The front tires look like they're decent. They will run you for a few months. And as you can see here, no oil leaks. It's clean. And I'm gonna show you here from the back as well. All right, and before the phone overheats on me, I'm gonna make this video short. It has two 50-gallon fuel tanks on either side. This is the DEF system. It's working. It's legal in California. No monkey business, nothing weird, nothing strange. I want you to know what to expect before you come over here, all the way here, Palmdale, California. You're probably going to be coming from LA or San Bernardino. It's spring suspension, and these are recap tires. It depends on how much load you have on the truck. I probably wouldn't trust them. I probably would change them. Here's the interior. It's a 26,000 pounds, so it's a non-CDL. It does not require a commercial driver's license, and as you can see, everything is intact, everything is good, nothing is falling apart. And I'm gonna start the truck for you. I'll give you a warranty a month on this truck, engine, transmission. Obviously, I can't give you forever because it is a used truck and it has 205,000 miles, so that is not bad at all. And as you can see, no check engine light. It started right away. The AC is cold, which is something you're gonna need in this heat. Oh my God, I think it's 95 degrees or something. You got power locks, power windows, and you got this power mirrors as well. So that's pretty nice. And it has the bench seat, so you can have two people stay here next to you instead of you driving alone. And I'm going to show you the engine. Cummins 6.7, and there you have it. So something to tell you about the suspension. You might want to put a tow truck, dump truck, whatever you want to put on this truck, flatbed like that one. If you want to put a flatbed on it, no problem. Box, no problem. If you want to do a tow truck or a dump truck, something that requires hydraulics, I need you to know that this truck is not PTO capable, which means that you're probably going to have to open the transmission, and we're going to turn this off. You're going to have to open the transmission and do whatever you have to do to the gears. Probably going to cost you $2,500 to $3,000 to do that. So but it's a truck, it's a good truck for a good price. So if that's what you need to do, you might need to move the axle. So I have the wheelbase for you on the description, as well as the cap to axle measurement, so you know what's up if you're trying to make something with it. Last thing I wanted to tell you is that what did I want to tell you? So I was thinking about installing a 24-foot box on it, because I have a 24-foot box. In case you want to do something to install a 24-foot box, whether it's a flatbed or a box, this is going to be compatible. It's going to work for you, because there's only I have a truck that's 24 feet box, and I measured the cap to axle and the wheelbase, and there's only like 1 foot difference between this one and the other one that is actually a 24 foot. So this will fit a 24 foot. It will fit a 22, 20, 18. 18, you're gonna have to cut the chassis over here. Your box is probably gonna come up to here. So anyways, if you have any questions, anything you need to know about this truck, please let me know, and I look forward to seeing you here soon in hot Palmdale, California. And I am Mooji with Mooji Truck Sales, and this is what I look like. And I hope to see you soon. Thank you.